Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the SHARGE ICEMAG 2. Now this is a Qi2 power bank with active cooling. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 70 bucks. Alright, first things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white.
calm down. Okay, SHARGE ICEMAG 2. Let's take it over to the website and check out the specs. Alright, so you're going to pick this one up from sharge.com. Now this is the ICEMAG 2. $69.90. So basically 70 bucks. Now this is the world's first Qi2 power bank with active cooling. Now you got a sleeker, transparent design as opposed to the original ICEMAG. This one is 2 times faster with 15 watt wireless charging. Again, with the original, you had 7.5 watt wireless charge. Now you're getting twice that much, 15 watt fast wireless charge. Now you're getting 30 max two-way USB Type-C fast charging. Okay, 30 watt fast charging. You got an integrated and foldable kickstand. Full dynamic spectrum RGB lights. Y'all know I love that. A 10,000 milliamp battery. Now this has unique low current mode, perfect for your watch or your buds, and it's airline safe. Now I can speak from experience. I always travel with mines. All right, so let's see. Look at those RGB lights. I love that. I love that. Okay, let's see. 15 watts, 2 times faster. Cooler, faster, better. Low current mode. Okay. Let's see, did we miss anything? Sleeker than ever. Okay. 2 times faster with Qi2 certification. Qi2 is the new wave from the Wireless Power Consortium. Okay. We'll talk about that in another video. Charge your iPhone 16 to 30% in 27 minutes as opposed to 45 minutes. So that is a huge upgrade. Now you're getting 30 watt two-way USB Type-C charging. So what does that mean? If you want to charge your iPhone or your Galaxy even faster than using the wireless charger, plug it in. And now instead of 15 watts, you're going to get 30 watts. Now you're also getting 30 watt fast recharge. So the power bank itself recharges via 30 watts. Hands-free at any moment. Got the built-in kickstand. Okay. Airline friendly. Workout companion. Strong magnetic attachment. And again, 10,000 milliamps. Okay. There's your low current mode. So if you want to charge your earbuds or your watch, low current mode. Superior safety. Okay. Double duty. Charge 2 devices at the same time. Pass-through charging. That means you can charge the power bank and your phone at the same time. And it shows you everything that you get in the box. All right. So here we go. ICEMAG 2. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. West Side Story. Here we go. Wrap. One more. Wrap. Okay. Inside of the box, this is going to be your ICEMAG 2. Got your usual books and shit, plug them and file them. And it does come with a cable. Now let's see what this cable looks like. Shout out to the cable for trolling me. All right, here we go. Let's see. This is going to be small cable. USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Again, not too big. Giggity. Okay. Now for the actual power bank, 10,000 milliamps. There's your RGB fan. Okay. LEDs on the side. Oh, look at this. Built-in kickstand. So I'm already liking this as opposed to the original because of the kickstand. Now when you're flying on your flight, you're going to grab your phone, slap it on just like that, and now you're rocking the kickstand. Okay, now let's see. Does this have any juice? Okay, we've got a power button. Let's hold down the power button. Okay, there's the LEDs. It's charging up. Okay, now we got to activate the RGB fan. Let's see. Oh, there it is. We got action. Okay, we got action, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see. Hold up, let me make sure. We're charging up. And we got action. Now, this is an actual fan. I don't know if y'all can hear that. I'm going to put it right by the mic. Y'all hear that? That's an actual fan. Okay. I like this transparent design. And again, I could just have my phone just like this when I'm scrolling through Instagram, or I could rotate it like this. Okay, as you can see, we still getting the charge, and I can rock out with my desktop clock. Oh, how dope is that? And look at the LEDs. Look at that. Oh, y'all know I'm a sucker for RGB lights. That is pretty dope. Now let's check the magnet strength. Right up off the table. Okay, let's try Galaxy phone. Okay, charging up the Galaxy. We still got RGB action. You see it's charging. We could rotate this with your Galaxy and watch your YouTube videos. Go crazy. So as long as whatever phone you got, you can use the Pixel, you can use the OnePlus, whatever phone you got, as long as it has a MagSafe charging case, you can slap this right on there and get your wireless charge. All right, so now let's try low current mode. Now you're going to hold the power button for 3 seconds until you see the LED start flashing. Okay, once they flash like that, now you can plug in something like an Apple Watch or a Galaxy Watch and charge it up in low current mode. Now it's going to take a second, and then you'll see the charge animation. There it is, charging up. Low current mode. All right, so now let's try pass-through charging. That means you could charge up the power bank and a phone at the same time. So we're going to plug this in. There's the LEDs. Okay, it's charging up. Now we'll lay this flat, grab a phone, slap it right on, and it's charging up. So if you look, LEDs flashing. That means it's charging the power bank and the phone at the same time. Pass-through charging. All right, so now let's try to charge 2 devices at the same time. So we're going to plug this in. Let's charge up one iPhone. Okay, that's charging up. And we'll slap another iPhone right on the top. And this one is charging up. So if you notice, we're charging 2 devices at the same time. Put them in your pocket and rock out just like that. Now, if you want to charge your phone the fastest, just plug in a cable, plug it in like this, and now you're going to get 30-watt fast charge. Just like that. Now, this is actually perfect with the cable because you could do stuff like this. Plug in the phone. Okay, that's charging up. Then you could grab your AirPods, slap them on the back, and charge them up as well. 2 devices at the same time. All right, so to check the power on this, tap the power button once. You're going to see the LEDs flash, and there's your 4 LED indicators. So 1 for 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. Now, when you slap this on your phone, it's automatically going to power on, start charging up, and the fan is going to activate by itself. Now, when you take this off, after 30 seconds, it'll automatically power off. But if you want to turn it off quick, press the power button twice, and it'll power off. All right, so let me answer this question. If you got an iceMag, should you upgrade to the iceMag 2? The answer is yes. If you got the original iceMag and you love it, you're going to love the iceMag 2 even more. First of all, the original is 20 watts max power. Now you're getting 30 watts max power. So it's going to charge your device faster. Not to mention, the wireless charger on the original is 7.5 watts. Now you're getting 15 watts Qi2. And the biggest upgrade, you see with the regular iceMag, when I go on my flights, I got to find some way to, lean it against something and watch my movies. Now you got the built-in kickstand. So not only is the RGB light cooling your fan, you can sit back like this and watch your videos. This is official tissue. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the SHARGE iceMag 2 a major go. My favorite portable power bank company strikes again. You're getting 30 watts fast charge, Qi2 15-watt wireless charge. You got an RGB fan, and you got a built-in kickstand. And that transparent design looks extra cool. I am loving this one. Anyway, this is the Charge IceMag 2. Don't forget to check out my 2 favorite power banks. I'll leave a link for those videos right there. Again, I highly recommend this. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.